So a customer brought in this Geo Metro, yes, I haven't seen one of these in a while. There you go, beauty right here. And their complaint was an oil leak. So let me show you what I found. How's that for a leak? And what it looks like to me is somebody tightened the filter with a filter wrench or something and poked a hole in it. So I don't know why people do this, why people tighten filters with tools. Don't tighten filters with tools. Oh, and just so you know, I did verify the oil level before I started it, so it's not going to run out of oil. I'm going to let it down now and shut it down. Don't tighten filters with a filter wrench. Don't tighten them with tools. Do it by hand. There's no reason for a filter to be, 700 foot-pounds of torque on it. It's insane. I get it all the time where people tighten the bejesus out of a filter. Don't do it. I mean, right here, somebody tightened it and actually hurt the outer shell of the filter itself, and that's what created the leak. So let me just shut this thing down, and then I'm gonna take the filter off. Okay, actually, it's got low mileage on it too. I forgot what the mileage was. Little 4-cylinder. I think these are 3-speed automatics. I don't even recall. I believe so. But yeah, it's only got 49,000 miles on it. I'd rock this. Manual steering. That cracks me up. I can't tell you the last time I've seen a car with manual steering. Huh. I just realized there's an oil filter on the passenger seat. Well, I don't care about that. I'm not going to install one of his. He didn't say nothing about it. So, put this back up in the air. Pause this. Alright, so there you go. I got the filter off. And there you see the damage. And there is the pinhole. So, I don't know who put this on and why they used a tool to put it on. You're not supposed to. Tighten by hand. It says it right on a filter somewhere. Or on the box. It says it. So, I just happen to have the same type of filters. So, there it is. It's on. Let me go start it up, and then I'm going to have to clean this thing off because it's a mess. It's oil everywhere. Alright, so we're back down. Let me just give a quick look. It's good enough for now. So I'm going to start it up. It'll purge the air out of the filter. And then after I clean it up, we can double check the fluid level. Actually sounds pretty good, I'll give it that. Alright, let's put it back up. Alright, so there it is. New filter's in place. No more leak. So I think we're good there. Like I said, I'm going to clean this all down. I'm going to brake clean it. I'm going to clean it all up. And then I'm going to give it back to the customer. So, like I said, don't tighten a filter with a tool. Don't use a strap wrench. Don't use those cups either. Don't tighten them with that. Do it by hand. That's how you're supposed to do it. Read the directions. Because I've had them so tight on there that in the past, I've actually had them so tight, I swear to you, this has happened, where I've actually had to cut the entire filter off to get down to this base, and then I had to use an air hammer on the base to get that thing free. I've had it where I had to take a torch to it to burn the rubber out of it because it was so seized into place. There's absolutely no reason for that. If your mechanic has to use a tool to tighten a spin-on filter, find another mechanic. That's not how you do things. Anyway, that's it. Get anything out of my videos, hit the like button. If you could, please subscribe. That's it. Have a great day. Keep wrenching.